We've all been there. You see a viral outfit online, hit add to cart, and wait days for it to arrive. But when you finally put the trendy piece on and look in the mirror, it looks completely wrong. Social media feeds sell us the idea that if a piece of clothing is trendy, it will look good on anyone. That one-size-fits-all marketing leads us to chase micro-trends, which usually ends with a drained bank account and a pile of clothes we never wear. Our bodies are built on physical architecture. Almost all human figures fall into one of 5 distinct geometric categories. Clothing is the math of draping flat, 2-dimensional fabric over 3-dimensional frames. When you put a straight cut of fabric over 5 different underlying structures, you get 5 entirely different results. If you try to force a garment designed for a straight column onto a curved frame, the fabric will pull, bunch, and hang awkwardly. When the cut of the fabric matches the natural proportions of the wearer, the clothing lays flat and moves naturally. We can achieve a better aesthetic result by mathematically optimizing these natural geometric proportions. Ignoring your native geometry to follow a viral trend ensures your closet will be full of pieces that physically fight your frame. The curve categories are geometries defined by distinct waistlines. Dressing them effectively requires balancing the volume above and below that central anchor point. The hourglass shape consists of a bust and hips that measure roughly equal in width, anchored by a clearly defined, narrower waist in the middle. You can see this structure in Marilyn Monroe. Traditional glamour styling relied on highlighting these exact proportions, cinching the waist to let the hips and bust provide natural volume. To dress an hourglass, you need pieces that physically hug that natural inward curve. Wrap dresses and belted silhouettes work because they follow the body's native lines. If an hourglass adopts oversized, baggy trends, the fabric drops straight down from the bust. This hides the waistline and creates a boxy, heavy silhouette. The second curve geometry is the pear, or triangle. Here, the hips are distinctly wider than the shoulders, paired with a narrower upper body. Because a pear-shaped body carries its primary visual weight in the lower half, like Jennifer's horizontal width to the top half achieves this. Structured boat neck tops or puff sleeves broaden the shoulders, offsetting the physical width of the hips below. Performance wear often uses this strategy. Beyoncé stage outfits frequently feature built-up shoulder structures to flatter and balance her bottom-heavy proportions. The hazard for a pear shape is using narrow necklines combined with thin, clingy fabrics across the hips. This exaggerates the lower body and creates a disproportionate look. For curvy geometries, managing volume is essential to maintaining structural harmony across the frame. For bodies that carry weight centrally, the most effective strategy is to let the fabric skim rather than cling. This is the apple, or oval shape. It features a fuller upper body and midsection with a softer waistline, often contrasting with slender arms and legs. Jennifer Hudson shows how to handle this frame. Strategic draping and empire waists, where the fabric pinches just under the bust, create a cleaner line through the torso. Open V-necks help elongate the torso, while an empire waist allows the fabric to fall naturally over the stomach without pulling. Because an apple shape typically features slender legs, choosing shorter hemlines like knee-length or midi dresses capitalizes on a natural physical asset. Tight tops or stiff, boxy jackets usually magnify the midsection by trapping the eye at the widest point of the torso. Dressing an apple successfully is a matter of vertical elongation and strategic draping. If your body doesn't naturally have curves, you can use clothing architecture to manufacture the illusion of them. The rectangle, or straight shape, has shoulders, waist, and hips of roughly the same width. It is an athletic frame with minimal natural waist definition. You can see this lean geometry in Keira Knightley. The proportions are balanced, but the waistline lacks a natural inward curve. To optimize a rectangle, you must add the structure yourself. Peplum tops, belts, and layered jackets add visual dimension and carve out a waistline. Kate Middleton often relies on tailored, heavier fabrics. A well-constructed suit jacket physically builds dimension onto a straight frame. Nicole Kidman uses a similar approach. Structured blazers and pleated trousers provide shape and movement without overwhelming her slender build. However, wearing a shapeless, straight-cut dress erases what definition exists, turning the body into a featureless column. The final geometric category is the inverted triangle. This frame features broad shoulders and a fuller chest that tapers down to narrower hips. Adding extra bulk to the upper body throws this frame into an aggressive imbalance, as seen in some high-fashion silhouettes. Avoid shoulder pads, wide boat necks, and halter tops, which exaggerate the existing shoulder width, making the wearer look excessively top-heavy. To balance the silhouette, you add volume below. Pairing a clean V-neck on top with an A-line skirt or wide-leg trousers anchors the look and brings the shoulders back into proportion. For straight or top-heavy shapes, style is about deploying volume precisely where it is missing to engineer a balanced silhouette. When a garment's architecture respects your own, the visual friction disappears. You are left with a silhouette that looks intentional and feels physically comfortable. You stop fighting your clothes because you are finally celebrating your natural physical proportions. This is your high ROI wardrobe checklist. Hourglasses look for wrap dresses. Pears need boat necks. Apples should find empire waists. Rectangles benefit from belted blazers. And inverted triangles seek A-line skirts. Buy clothes for your exact geometry, rather than the body you see on a plastic mannequin. Mastering your own proportions provides a permanent blueprint for dressing well, regardless of changing trends. Take a look in the mirror, identify your shape, and start dressing for your geometry.